Our planet is facing many environmental challenges, but there's one simple yet powerful solution: planting trees. Trees aren't just pretty, they're essential for a healthy ecosystem. Let's explore five significant ways planting trees benefits our environment. Trees are natural carbon sinks. They absorb carbon dioxide, a major greenhouse gas, during photosynthesis. This helps mitigate climate change and reduces the impact of global warming. Trees act as natural air purifiers. Their leaves filter out pollutants like particulate matter and nitrogen oxides, improving air quality and promoting respiratory health. Trees provide habitats for countless species of plants and animals. It provides food, shelter, and breeding grounds for a wide variety of wildlife, supporting biodiversity and ecosystem health. Also, plants, especially flowering ones, provide food and habitat for pollinators like bees and butterflies, which are essential for plant reproduction and ecosystem function. Tree roots help stabilize the soil, preventing erosion and landslides. This protects valuable topsoil, which is essential for agriculture and ecosystem, improves soil structure, making it more fertile and capable of holding water. Trees play a vital role in the water cycle. They absorb water through their roots and release it into the atmosphere, helping regulate rainfall pattern and preventing droughts and floods. Planting trees is a simple act with far-reaching positive consequences. Let's all contribute to a healthier planet by planting trees today. Learn more about tree planting initiatives in your area and get involved. Includes website links or social media handles. Also consider like, share, comment, and hit the notification bell for more updates of my videos. Thank you and God bless.